If you're editing in CapCut PC and want to know how to order layers correctly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to arrange clips on the timeline so you can control what appears in the foreground and what stays in the background. This is a really important editing skill because once you understand layers, you can build cleaner videos, better transitions, picture-in-picture effects, text overlays, and more polished content overall. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your CapCut PC project and go to your timeline. The most important thing to remember is that layer order in CapCut is based on track position. That means the clip on the bottom track acts like the background and anything placed above it will appear in front of it. So if you have a main video that you want to use as your base, place that clip on the very bottom track, usually track 1. Now, if you want to add another clip, like an overlay video, a photo, a sticker, or text, drag it vertically upward onto a new track row above the background clip. As soon as you place it higher on the timeline, CapCut will display it in front of the clip below it in the preview window. This is how you create layered edits in CapCut PC without needing any complicated settings. Let's say you have 2 clips on the timeline. If the overlay is sitting below the background, it will be hidden or covered. But if you move that overlay to a track above the background, it becomes visible on top. So the rule is simple. Higher track equals higher priority in the visual stack. The clip at the topmost track will always appear in the foreground. If you want to bring something to the front, just click the clip and drag it to a higher track row. This is perfect for showing a person, graphic, logo, subtitle, or any element you want viewers to notice first. On the other hand, if something is blocking the video and you want to send it behind another layer, click and drag it to a lower track row. That pushes it backward in the composition and makes whatever is above it take visual priority. This is especially useful when you're editing reaction videos, talking head content, gameplay edits, tutorials, or promotional videos. For example, you might keep your gameplay or background footage on track 1, then place your facecam on track 2, and maybe add captions or stickers on track 3. That way, each new layer stacks neatly above the last one and your video stays organized. Another helpful tip is to keep your timeline clean as you work. If you're layering several clips, try to name your tracks or place elements in a way that makes sense so you can easily tell which one is supposed to appear on the top. It will save you time later when you need to move things around or make quick edits. So to recap, ordering layers in CapCut PC is all about where you place each clip on the timeline. The bottom track acts as the background. Any clip above that becomes part of the foreground. To bring a clip forward, move it up. To send it back, move it down. Once you get used to this, you'll be able to build much more professional looking videos with confidence. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.